So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Google Messages application keeps telling you to insert a SIM card in order for you to continue using that particular Google Messages app. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one reason why something like this could end up happening is because you just don't have a SIM card installed in your particular device. So you can see right here within Google Messages, I do not have a SIM card inside of my particular phone. So because of that, it's not really going to work out in the way that I'm thinking because it's just not going to work. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and insert a SIM card inside of your phone, or make sure that the SIM card you have installed in your particular device is recognized by the phone, and you just want to start there. So you can also make your way over to your settings application, go inside of your SIM card manager. It should be under like connections or something like that. Go into your SIM manager, and you want to make sure that your particular SIM card is discovered here. It should be placed here or under eSIMs or something. If you see what I'm seeing here where it's like no SIM cards are installed, you need to insert a SIM card or install an eSIM, and that is the first thing you want to do in order to fix this problem. Now, if you do that and that's not working, or there's another issue here and there, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to actually go through inside of your particular Android phone, and you want to make sure you are basically up to date for the most part on your device. So what you can do here is you can go back into settings, scroll down until you see your software update panel, find your download and install button, and you want to go ahead and download and install the latest update available for your Android phone. A lot of the times that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing. You also want to make sure you've checked your signal. Sometimes it could just be a signal problem, like you just not having any signal on your phone. So you can go through and just restart your phone, or see if there's no signal in your area, because if that's the case, that could also be a problem as well. If that's still not working, you can try using a different messages application for the most part temporarily, and you want to see if you're able to go ahead and get that working, because sometimes that may end up working as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.